A350-1041 of Virgin Atlantic, and this is on its way to Atlanta in Georgia. And of course, Virgin and Delta do co-share. Of course, Atlantic is the home of Delta. And on the runway just ahead of us, 23 right, is an A350-1000 of Qatar Airways, and this of course is an arrival from Doha, the capital of Qatar, with a flight time of just over 6.5 hours.
Just touching down, next arrival, Austrian Airlines Embraer 190 regional jet. This is inbound from the Austrian capital of Vienna. And if you've ever been to Vienna, you will know what a beautiful city it is.
Certainly is. There's an A350-1000 ahead of us. We did see in my English version of Singaporean Cafe. The way you can tell the difference, if you look at the undercarriage, the 1000 carriage has 6 carriage, whereas the 900 only has 4.
Let me just take a top. Yeah.